In the previous video, we unboxed a Skil drill driver. And guess what?
Huh?
I bought another Skil tool.
What?
I snatched this limited edition Skil 3575 brushless cordless circular saw from my local building store for about 2,500 Swedish kroner. That's 217 euros or $229. I mainly got this because it's cordless. I'm so sick of tired of cords, and there was a lot of stuff included in this bundle, so it was a wise choice. Let's open this thing up, shall we? Let's see what we got. First off, we have the blade, a wood blade with 24 teeth, 184 millimeters or 7.24 inches wide. I don't know if this is an odd size. I have only seen 165 millimeter blades. Throw me a comment if I'm wrong. Here we have the parallel guide. This guide helps with perfectly stray cuts up to 28.9 centimeter or 1.37 inches wide cuts.
Next!
You are looking at a 20-volt, 4-amp-hour powerhouse. This is Skil's newest line of batteries with Keep Cool technology. It keeps the battery cool and gives about 2 times more battery life. Green LEDs light up to show charge status, so you'll always know how much charge remains. Next, battery charger. This one is much better than the cheap one that I got with the Skil drill driver. Skil says that a 2-amp-hour battery should be fully charged in 5 minutes, so I guess my battery should be fully charged in 10 minutes. I'll have to test that sometime. What's inside this little box? Let's see. Drum roll, please. Ah, some clamps for the guide rail. This was a pleasant surprise. It's rare that any company includes these clamps. These are pretty cheap though, but they will do the job. More stuff. Seems like extra screws for the track rail guide. That's very generous of Skil. And the final item in the box is a 2.5 millimeter hex key for tightening the track rail guide screws. As you can see, there's 2 guide rails, and they are 70 centimeters or 55 inches long each. They are made of aluminium, so they hardly weigh anything at all, and they are, of course, rust resistant. Sure, I will not over-tight the screws.
Thank you.
Another secret item. What can this be? It's the vacuum cleaner adapter.
Boring.
This is made by pretty cheap plastic, but I think it will last a while at least. The thing we all have been waiting for. The circular saw. Skil is celebrating 100 years. This limited edition has a special color set with a golden cover that refers to the famous historic Skil saw classic models.
Wow.
It cuts material with a thickness of up to 66 millimeters at 90 degrees and 46 millimeters at 45 degrees. Let's install some stuff. First off, the blade. I will need a hex key to remove the blade bolt. This is positioned next to the handle. After that, I will need to lock the spindle by pushing the spindle lock button. Now I'll turn the hex key anti-clockwise and the blade bolt should be loose. Just like that. Did you know that Skil was first to invent the handheld circular saw? Or maybe I should call it a Skil saw, because that was the name for it when it was invented in 1924 by Edmund Michel. I think I forgot something.
Uh-oh.
Ah, the blade sits behind this flange.
Stupid, 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 stupid.
I'll just do the same process to secure the blade. This was an happy accident. I just noticed that the rotation arrow has to point at the same direction as it does on the lower guard. A final squeeze and we are done. Now that's a sexy circular saw. And next installation will be the vacuum cleaner adapter. This is pretty straightforward, just align the port and screw in the screw. I didn't show how to mount the guide rail or how it even looks on the saw, so here it is. And by the way, if you made it this far in the video, thank you. The best way to support me is to subscribe and like the video. This helps me grow. And if you have any questions or whatever, just comment on the videos. Let's finish off this circular saw segment with a sound and weight test. Just noticed something. How cool is that? But anyway, it's pretty quiet and it's pretty lightweight. Let's try out the clamps. As I said before, they feel very cheap as you see, but I'm curious how they work. I'll give them a try. Solid as a rock. I guess I'll just follow the same topic. Let's try to join the two guide rails together. As they say, together as one. That went smoothly, but I guess you're waiting for me to test all the stuff? Well, that ain't gonna happen in this video. I'm gonna use this saw and accessories and the Skil drill driver in the next upcoming video. But the overall feel of the saw is excellent. It's well made, has all the features and accessories you need for a small price. The one thing that I miss is a hard case, but I guess that's why Skil can keep their prices low. Don't get me wrong, the bag is awesome, but a hard case feels more sturdy. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.